So today we will discuss the function security policies required for Redwood sales. So this is the optional step. So there might be a possibility that you have created the custom roles and your custom roles is not having the Redwood sales privileges. If you're facing that issue, then you have to add the function security privileges to your users. So this is our migration document that we discussed in the previous sessions. Today we will discuss the security changes. Let's start. So I have covered like the major, like the important function security policies required for Redwood sales. So I have majorly covered the standard objects which are required in Redwood sales. So for example, there is a function security policies view account from digital sales. So that will be used for navigating to the account object. So the account access is given by this function security policies. So if you want to view a contact, that contact object in Redwood sales is managed by this particular function security policies. So there is a functional security privilege for each object. So like view account, view activity, contact, they all are specifically for the Redwood. View digital sales is specifically for Redwood sales only. And there is a separate function security policy for create. So like create digital sales account. So whenever you navigate to an object, and here you can see a create account button is there, right? So that button is being managed by this function security policies create digital sales account. For example, you don't want to give the create access for account, so you can remove that privilege. And this is specifically for the Redwood sales. Redwood, so you cannot create an account from Redwood. So create digital sales account. So in that way, you can manage the creation and like a view level access for the Redwood objects. Also, I told you this is optional. So if you firstly you can check whether your roles are having these function security policies or not. If not, what you can do, you can create a separate job role. Why I am saying this? Because in the beginning you might be willing to give this access to only for 100 users. For example, your organization is having 5,000 users, 2,000 users. Firstly, what you can do, you can create a job role having these function security policies and assign these job roles to 10 users only at a time. Then you can perform testing and everything. After that, you can move to production with all the users. So whoever need the Redwood sales access, you can assign this custom job role to all the users. So let's see how we can create a job role. We will go to navigator, on tools, and here we can click on security console. Let's click create job role. Let's click and let's give it a name, Redwood sales access role. We have given the code also. Let's give the category CRM job role. Now let's click next. Now let's add the function security policy. So from like you can copy the policy and you can just search here and click add privilege to role. In the same way, you need to add all the policy required. So as this is as per a business requirement. If you don't want to include like create policy or something, that you can exclude. So for example, you need to add all of them and then you click on summary and just click save and close. So now let's see in the administration whether our role creation is success or not. So for testing purpose, I have just taken one role, but one two function security policy, but in your case, you need to include all. So now we can go to any user and we can give this role to that user. So in that way, we can add the required Redwood policies and we can assign it to respective users. So in upcoming sessions, we will discuss what are smart actions and what are the type like function based, REST based and UI based smart actions and how we can use them in Redwood. Thank you.